Hi everybody, this is Misha from Plants in Progress. I just wanted to do kind of an unboxing today. I got an order from the Package Free Shop. If you haven't heard of this company, it is a company that is a zero waste company. The owner's name is Lauren Singer. If you haven't looked her up, definitely do so. She's one of those people that was able to fit all of her trash in a mason jar for a couple years, up to 5 years, and I think she's still working on that. So really cool, something definitely what we should all strive to be like, but definitely want to take advantage of getting a few things from her shop, all of the stuff that she sends out. She also has a brick and mortar shop in New York, I believe it is, but everything that's sent out is either recyclable or compostable, and everything in the store is also recyclable or compostable, all the packaging and everything like that. So I'm trying to be a little bit more low waste, and this is hopefully going to help me on my journey that way. So I guess we'll just get into it. I got 4 different things from the shop, some things that I'm running out of, so as trying to work more towards low waste, I obviously don't want to just buy everything that I can, because that kind of defeats the purpose. So some of the things that I'm about to run out of, I got to replace with some lower waste things. So one of the first things I got here was this David's toothpaste. If you continue to watch, you'll realize that I'm definitely one that looks to do a bunch of research on what I'm consuming, and this has been highly recommended by a bunch of different low wasters. So I wanted to try this out. It was $10 through the shop, and I think I checked on Amazon and it was $10 there too. So I definitely rather get my packaging this way, and support a great company. But this toothpaste comes in a metal case. Or a metal tube, sorry. So once you're done, you just have to cut it open, I believe, and wash it out, and then it's fully recyclable. So that's great, and I'm really excited to use this because we're almost out of that. I also got some eucalyptus lemon deodorant stick. This is another product I'm almost out of, so definitely something I wanted to take advantage of. This was $14. I'll try to do a close-up of each item next to this video as well, but this is just a push stick deodorant, and I'm excited to try that out. The next thing that I got, it is a shampoo bar. My husband really likes the hard bars. Unfortunately, I have not had great feedback from him. Like, my hair doesn't do very well, my body doesn't do very well with hard bars, but he likes them, and I thought this would be a great opportunity to get him something. So this is, I think this is like a lemon lavender bar, but this is a great opportunity for him to be able to use this on his head. So it's a shampoo bar, which is something that we've never had any experience with it yet, and I can try it out too to see if maybe this brand will help out and do better than anything else that I've used yet. So there's that. This one was, I think, $12. So, and the last thing that I got here, I thought was probably the coolest thing. I got a little greeting card. So it is my husband's birthday next week, so I thought this would be a great opportunity. So this little greeting card says, "Can you believe that once upon a time I didn't even know you existed, and now I literally love you more than anyone on this entire planet." And then obviously you can write your own in here. So this greeting card is printed on 100% biodegradable seed paper that grows wildflowers, and it has planting instructions online. So I thought this was a really cool way to kind of get 2 gifts in one. You get a greeting card, and then you get some seeds to plant some flowers afterwards, which is awesome, and definitely something that you can do together and make a memory about. So that's really cool. So all 4 products here, it's $41 in total through the Package Free shop. After $25, you get free shipping, free low waste or zero waste shipping, which is awesome. So definitely take advantage. I'll put all the information for the Package Free shop down below in the description box. But that is pretty much all I have for you today. So thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.